Everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this following video, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to change your phone number on PlayStation 5. To change your phone number on PlayStation 5, you just have to follow the simple steps. First thing first, gonna launch the PlayStation. And next thing you wanna do is go to settings. As you go to settings here, you wanna go ahead and press on users and account. As you click on users account, you'll be taken to this page where you could see account. Click on that. As soon as you click on account, here you want to go to security. When you go to security, you could find this option. So underneath you could see mobile number. Press on it. Here you want to go ahead and click on add mobile number, and then you need to go ahead and enter in your code and all that. Follow the on-screen instructions, and this way you should be able to change your phone number on PlayStation. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.